Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for watching today. My name is Samaria. I'm a registered dietitian, a certified trichologist, and now I am a licensed natural hairstylist. And I'm going to show you around my new salon space within my office. So I'm really excited about this space. It definitely did take quite a bit of time to kind of put together and figure out how I wanted to do it. Because I am in a typical office suite, it isn't set up for a stylist with water and plumbing, in a shampoo bowl and all of that. So I really did have to figure out how to make this work in this typical room, and so I'm really excited how it came out, and I'm very excited about this beautiful shampoo bowl, portable shampoo bowl from Portable Sink Depot. I did a lot of research trying to find one that was of good quality, and so I'm very happy with this product. So I wanted to make a video to share with you all about it, to hopefully help someone else. Okay, so I'm going to spend a lot of time talking about the shampoo bowl, but I do want to show y'all how I put this together. This will be super helpful for someone who's trying to, transition their house into a salon space, or like I did move a salon space into a regular office. Or really just switch any type of non-salon space into, a DIY salon. So, my office had carpet, but I put these sticker floors in. So I'll try to show you these floors here. I put those floors in. I got those from Home Depot just for ease of sweeping and up the hair, etc. I got this chair from Minerva Beauty, I believe, and it is a all-in-one chair, so it does lean back super nicely for clients to lean back into the shampoo bowl like that, like so. So I don't have to have multiple chairs in this small office. I got this from By Right Beauty. It's a portable. It was really important for me to make everything in here portable, be able to move around. So I have this that I got from By Right Beauty. Then I ordered this floating salon station off of Amazon, and then I got some of the other little small things from IKEA. So this is literally just like a small corner in my office, and I was able to turn it into a fully functional salon space. So now let's talk about the star of the show. This beautiful portable shampoo bowl from Portable Sink Depot. Okay, zoom y'all in a little bit. So I love that it came with a full cabinet, so it looks just like a typical shampoo bowl. I also got mine ordered with wheels. Again, it was really important for me to have everything in this space to be portable and able to move. So I got mine with wheels. I get the all black, obviously. So let's kind of get into some of these details. So when you open up the bottom cabinet, you see the tanks here. There is the waste tank. There is the clean water tank. There is the water heater, and then also under there is the water pump as well. So the water containers definitely hold sufficient amount of water to get you through at least 1 or 2 services. I personally work with people who have hair loss usually, and so I'm usually able to get through 2 to 3 services with the freshwater tank, and then I always empty out the wastewater tank after every service. So I was very happy with the size of these bins from Portable Sink Depot. That was a concern of mine. Like, was I going to be able to get through a service, for someone who has thick, kinky, curly hair? And the answer is yes. Like, I'm able to. And it also has a water heater, so the water, does get really warm. And then lastly, the water pressure. Again, this is another concern for me, given that I usually work with people who have thick, curly hair. But the water pressure is great. lastly, I'll say that I really also like that it does have countertop space along with the bowl, so I'm able to put my shampoo bottles, my product bottles up here as I'm shampooing. I can lay my towels on here as well, so I do like that there's space with the bowl as well. So overall, I am very, very happy with this purchase. Like I said, there's lots of different bowls and options online, but I really wanted to go with something that had a clean, sleek, professional look, and something, most importantly, that was of quality, that I wouldn't have to be repurchasing. Something that was easy for me to transport the water tanks back and forth. I personally just use like a trolley. And they're easy to slide in and out, you know, between my services or each day when I come into the office. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. I hope that it was helpful in showing you how to make a small space into a functional salon, and also gave you a good inside look into this amazing shampoo bowl from Portable Sink Depot, all the ins and outs. And overall, I give it a 10 out of 10. I really love it. Very happy with my investment, and I know you will be too if you try it out. So